Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a landing page on SquareSpace. Now firstly, open the SquareSpace website on your browser. Now log into your SquareSpace account. Click on Main Navigation. Now create a new page. Now let's call it a landing page. Now once you're here, you can create a landing page as you want. You can even customize it as you desire. Now go to Advanced Settings. Now once you're in the advanced setting, you can actually copy paste this code and it will make your landing page efficient. And there you go. Now your landing page is ready to be published. Hey, if you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe.